AI is going to take over your job. Or is it? AI is more expensive than the workers it's replacing. Anthropic wants you to think that they're going to replace cybersecurity jobs around the world. If you're a tech worker, you might be worried about your job. And if you're a CIO or CISO, you're probably getting a lot of pressure to transform your team, cut costs, and fill all of these gaps with a bunch of magical tools. You don't even know how they work or what they might do. New week, new hype. This time we're talking about the rising costs of AI and how organizations are struggling to fill the cybersecurity skills gap. I'm Mozilla from AvePoint, and in our Hype Tech in Check series, I'll break down the headlines. No fluff, no vendor spin. Let's take a look. Most recently, Meta laid off thousands of workers, but many people are starting to say that these layoffs are actually cost-cutting exercises in disguise. Many organizations, when asked by analysts like Forrester's JP Gounder, said that in 9 out of 10 scenarios, they don't have the mature AI infrastructure in place to actually replace and automate the roles that they've terminated. On top of that, organizations are realizing that the cost of AI tools, tokens, and other consumption is rising. NVIDIA's own VP of Deep Learning noticed that the cost of tokens is far exceeding the cost of the employees on his team. And this is going to continue to rise. Recently, Anthropic's own study showed that the cost of tokens by the average developer is actually going to develop. So as organizations start looking at rising LLM costs, suddenly the API costs outweigh the cost of having that full-time equivalent employee and developer. Some organizations may be wanting to bring their folks back now that they've seen the new price hikes. And this gets worse in other areas, like in cybersecurity, where there's already an incredible skills shortage. CIO Magazine and a number of other studies have shown that more than half of organizations have a massive cybersecurity skills gap. And with so many millions of jobs left unfulfilled, they're really fighting over the best of the best. So what are you going to do? One of the options is to use AI tools and technology to bolster your cybersecurity framework. Almost 80% of organizations in some studies have said that they plan to use AI tools to enhance their capability. Does this mean that the skills gap is going to be filled and we can just replace it all with tools? Not really. Let's take a look at an organization that is having success. Mozilla recently used Mythos to squash 271 bugs. Incredible work. But they didn't just point Mythos at their code base and then get a list of problems and solve them. Mozilla has a dedicated red versus blue team designed to perform penetration testing, check their code, and continue to keep them hyper vigilant. On top of that, they are already a very secure by design organization, utilizing things like the Rust programming language, which is security focused from the ground up. And organizations like Mozilla aren't the only ones finding out that human talent and capital is important. If you're a tech worker, you might be worried about your job. And if you're a CIO or CISO, you're probably getting a lot of pressure to transform your team, cut costs, and fill all of these gaps with a bunch of magical tools. You don't even know how they work or what they might do. So what are leading organizations doing in the face of this problem? Companies like IBM have tripled the amount of entry-level hiring that they're doing. And it's not just happening at the enterprise and large-scale end of the spectrum. CIOs and CISOs across all industries and verticals are beginning to hire internally and focus on upskilling their teams. What they're finding is trying to plug the gap with just a tool or just an outsourced company or an MSP isn't quite meeting the requirements and challenges they have. Many CIOs are starting to not only hire entry-level workers, but look within to begin upskilling their talent to meet the challenges of the modern world. In the face of these rising costs and in the face of all of these different challenges, my final thought for you as a CIO or CISO is that you need to strike the right balance between tools and talent. My recommendation to you and a prediction that I have is if you're not hiring the right folks now, within a year or two, you are going to have a major cybersecurity incident. Anyone thinking that they can plug their gaps with a couple tools from a vendor are going to be in a lot of trouble. At the end of the day, make sure you're cultivating your talent and your people because you don't want to be the person that's stuck with tools and no talent. And if you're a tech worker, don't freak out. In Mozilla's own words, they found no category or complexity of vulnerability that humans can't find. If any of this insight was valuable or you're looking for a partner who can help you out, make sure you check us out on AvePoint.com and stay tuned to our series for more on YouTube.